most of those who attended last year might remember Mad Ads performance we had. That was probably one of the most memorable events that night.
This year, these guys are back with their Zingalala range of products. Let's go ahead and see what they all have to offer this time round in the Mad Ads.
The performers are Rajesh, Lalit, Punit, Harish, Ramesh, Srinivas Pudi, and Harish Valapala.
All actions performed in the skit are performed by professionals. Please don't try this at home. Try it at your own risk. Presenting the wonders of the world. Zig, 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 zig. The Statue of Liberty. Zig, 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 zig. The Eiffel Tower. Zig, 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 zig. The Hanging Gardens of Babylonia. Zig, 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 zig. Hey, macha, help me, help me. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. Beautiful building, but poor construction. Zig, 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 zig. The Taj Mahal. Zig, 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 zig. The Pyramid and the Sphinx. Zig. Zig, 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 zig. The Great Wall of China. Now presenting the eighth wonder of the world. Macha, what is the eighth wonder, macha? You idiot! Eighth wonder of the world. Roshni 2010 presents Zingalala range of products 2.0. Huh? 2.0? What is this 2.0? Upgraded, Oh. Zig, 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 zig. Zig, 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 zig. Macha, come da, come. Macha, come da, come. Macha, come. Yo. Macha, come da, come. Macha, what are you doing da? Pulling da? But why da? Large crowd da? Oh, okay. One fine day, two friends waiting for a bus in Las Cruces bus stop. One beautiful lady came by and waiting for the bus. The guys are trying to impress her. A beggar walks by. Sir, give me some money, sir. Hey, go, da. Give me some money, sir. Oh, take $2, da. $2. $2. Macha, take $5, da. $5, da. Macha, take $10. $10, da. Macha, take $20, da. Macha, 20, Ui, sorry, da. Over. Macha, I'll give. Ui. Macha, over, da. The beggar starts counting his money. Honey, let's go. We got money for today's lunch. One sunny day, an NMSC guy walking by the campus. A couple walks by. The guy trying to impress the girl. The girl gets impressed and starts running in Desi style. Ayyo! And comes back. The NMSC guy starts thinking and gets an idea. The next day, he takes a bath with Zingalala soap and comes again. The guy, NMSC guy again, and the couple again. The guy trying to impress the girl again gets impressed and she's running, but suddenly, what happened? Zingalala soap, the reverse effect. Long, long ago, so long ago, very long ago, that is just yesterday, in the bushes of Las Cruces, a couple trying to do the moment of couple behind the bushes. 9 months over, 9 months over, 9 months over, 9 months over, and the 10th month came and nothing happened. I wanted to have a baby, but nothing happened. Che, waste. Now our hero gets an idea. He comes to www.freebabies.com and downloads a baby. Sweet! As soon as the baby was downloaded, he starts crying. The father buys him a lollipop. The baby still cries. The baby was given a toy. The baby still cried. The father gets the baby milk. The baby still cries. After 30 days, the baby suddenly stops crying. The man is shocked. How come on the last month of the day the baby stopped? Your 30 days of free trial version expired, sir. Please renew your license. Now, since the baby was born in the bushes of Las Cruces, the baby was named Chota Bush. Chota meaning small. Our Chota Bush drinks Zingalala milkshake and becomes a grown-up woman. And now called the Bada Bush. Bada meaning big. He decided to join the New Mexico State University for his masters. And suddenly, on the very first day, he sees old and dark rival Osama bin Laden. Abiska, abiska, niyama, nimama. Osama speaking Arabic. Now, from the carpet corner, a beautiful lady walks by. Hi, I am Lily. I am basically from Chile. Coming here and acting silly. Both Osama and Bush go round her. A jiki chaka jiki, and fall in love. Okay. Now, I will ask you 3 questions. Whoever wins can marry me. Okay. Bush, you say, if I have 3 apples on one hand and 3 apples on other hand, what do I have? Suddenly, Bush drinks Zingalala milkshake. Very simple. You have big hands. Very good. Now, Osama, you say, what will you do if you see a dead ant? Dead ant. Pass. Bush, you say, very simple. Dead ant. Very good. Now, Osama, you say, what will you do if you see a live ant? Live ant, dead ant. Pass. Bush, you say, very simple. Dead ant. Oh, very good. So, our Bush and Lily get married and travel to an island for their honeymoon. But suddenly, our Osama bin Laden, who is angry for have lost Lily, comes. Hey, you, come here. Get me a bomb. I want to hijack this plane. The assistant comes after 20 minutes. Oh, where did the assistant go? Ayya, macha. Bhige hoot tere, pyasa tan mera, lage abrisa. Hey, idiot! I asked you to get an atom bomb, not an item bomb. Somehow, with the help of the item bomb, they hijack the plane and go to Afghanistan. Now, our very own local superhero, Shakti Man, comes into the scene. He opens up his Apple version of MacBook and searches. F1. As we know, Mac makes it impossible. He takes out Zingalala GPS and goes to Afghanistan. There, he sees Lily and Bush stuck in a cave with no doors and windows. So, he calls up Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, who has no job, comes and installs Apple version of Windows XL. After 5 minutes. Macha, what happened? You don't know, huh? Apple version of Windows Excel crashes every 5 minutes. Oh, okay. Thank you, Dad. Thank you. But suddenly, Osama bin Laden. Hey, you! I will not let you go. I will kill you. Macha, what happened? You did not understand. A replay. Now I will not let you go. I will kill you and escape. They will traveling. Oh no! Traveling. Escape! Zingalala spray, the killer effect. So, the Shaktiman was awarded the Nobel Peace Award for saving them. Zingalala products bringing peace to the world. One fine morning, one blind man goes for walking. A crazy boy comes and hits the blind man for a those crazy kids, I will teach them some lesson someday. The crazy boy comes again. Again. Next time I won't leave them. He suddenly takes out his glasses and puts them on. This time the crazy boy comes again. Zingalala glasses, even the blind can see. Now presenting manual comparison of iPhone 5.0 versus Zingalala phone. Hey macha, I have a Zingalala, I have an iPhone 5.0 da. Oh, I have a Zingalala phone da. What does your phone have da? My phone has 8 megapixel camera da. My phone also has 2 megapixel camera. Okay. My phone has Bluetooth da. Oh, my phone also has tooth da. Sorry, yellow tooth da. Oh, okay. My phone has sliding feature da. Watch. Sliding feature. My phone also has a watch it. Okay, next feature. My phone is bendable in all directions. My phone is also bendable da. Watch. Okay, next feature. My phone has a big inbox and a big outbox da. I win this time da. My phone has a bigger inbox and a bigger outbox da. I know you would say that. That is why I have 2 inbox and 2 outbox da. 2 inbox, 2 outbox. Zingalala mobile phone for men, women, and that's all. One fine morning, our NMSU Desi guy walks by and gets his shoe stuck in the horseshoe. Ayyo! Suddenly, a beautiful girl from UTEP walks by. The guy gets impressed, but unfortunately, his second leg also gets stuck. Ayyo! A chai wala walks by. Chai wala means selling coffee. Chai, coffee, sir. Starbucks, Zingalala coffee, sir. Oh, please help me da. Sir, chai, sir. Help me da. Chai, sir. Help me da. Sir, help me da. Chai, sir. Chai, please. Go da. Go. Leave. Then a bodybuilder comes into the scene and the guy asks for sir. Sir, please help me, sir. Oh, no problem. I'll help you. I'm strong enough. So, are you okay, sir? Yeah, I'm okay. Come here. Let me try again. Very hard. What do you eat? Suddenly, he takes out his Zingalala lollipop and gets an idea. He takes out a saw. Oh, yes, saw. No, sir. No. Please go. No need, sir. You asked for help, Dad. No, sir. Go. Finally, his friend comes by and tries to help him. Sir, help me. Okay. It's too hard, Dad. It's too hard, Dad. Okay, I got an idea, Dad. Wait. He takes out his phone and calls his friend. Hey, my friend is stuck, Dad. Please come, help me. And he runs away. Why did he run away? Finally, a NMSU Desi girl walks by. What? NMSU Desi girl? I don't know. Help me. Help me. Before we end the story, I just want to introduce Harish, Puneet, Pudi, Harish Dudela, Ramesh, Lalit, and myself Rajesh.